welcome to another French Fried Trains Minecraft train tutorial. Today we'll be doing something we haven't done in a while, and we'll be building some freight cars here. And we're going to be building two UTLX tank cars. First off, we have this smaller old-fashioned style one here, and then we're also going to learn how to build the more modern version over here. So let's get right into the build. So for our first step, we'll take a dark oak stair out for the coupler. Go ahead and attach that up. Under it, a sideways dark oak fence gate. Then, on the next block down, we're going to get a netherite wheel on each rail with an end rod axle. Then in front of that, we're going to do a row of 5 nether brick fences. In front of that, 3 nether brick slabs in the center, and then 5 nether brick fences again. Then another brick slab on the top in the middle there, and then behind it another set of netherite wheels and an end rod axle. On the sides here, we're going to put a single dark oak fence gate here, and on this side here. Then we're going to count out and leave a gap of 9 blocks, and on the 10th block out behind these wheels, we'll do another set of netherite wheels with an end rod axle. So there's 9 blocks of space in between here. Then we'll do 5 nether brick fences again. Then in front, 3 nether brick slabs, and a double slab is in the center. Then 5 nether brick fences again, and another set of netherite wheels and an end rod axle. Then a dark oak fence gate on each side on the middle of the truck here, like this. Then take a hopper and put a hopper on the sides of all 4 wheels. And same thing down here, a hopper on the sides of all 4 of these wheels. Then we're going to take out polished blackstone brick walls. And on the very end here, we're going to come 5 across. Then come down to the other end and do the same thing, 5 across this end. Then on this second layer, we're going to fill this whole top middle 3 behind the wall, end to end, with polished blackstone block. Then we're going to go all the way down this outside edge with polished blackstone brick wall. And same thing on this side. Go all the way down this side with the walls. Then come underneath here with polished blackstone slab and run a full line of slabs up the center between the wheels here. Then on the side of the slabs under here, a full row of sideways dark oak fence gates. Now we're going to come up top, take out polished blackstone block. 1 block in from the end here, we're going to make a 3 block tall plus shape. And then we're going to drag that down to this other end and stop 1 block before the end here. Turn that into a plus shape. Then go ahead and fill in both sides and the top with polished blackstone all the way down. Then we'll take out polished blackstone stairs and round this off. So under here, a full row of upside down stairs. And then on top, a full row of right side up stairs. And of course, do the same thing on this side. So a full row of right side upstairs up here. And a full row of upside down stairs underneath here. Now on top we have to find the center, so we're going to come on the 9th block in from the end and put a single chiseled polished blackstone block. Then on one side of it, put a wither skeleton skull, and then on the top of it, put a single stone button. Then on the side, we're going to knock out this stair and change it to a block. Same thing on this side. Then, on the side of those blocks, we're going to put 2 ladders here. And then come over here, 2 ladders on this side. Up here, we're going to put 3 oak trapdoors on the side like this. And then 3 on this side here. Now come on this bottom outside edge on top of these walls here and take out another brick fence. And we're going to put 2 right here and 2 right here. Do the same thing on this side, 2 right here and 2 in this corner. Then we'll come over where the ladder is, and 1 block over from each side of the ladder, put a single another brick fence on each side. Same thing here, so 1 fence here and 1 here. Then on top of these fences, run a line of oak trapdoors up to the ladder, and then same thing at this end. Repeat it on this side here and in this corner. Now we'll do some of the markings, so take out yellow terracotta, 1 block in from the end here, and change 3 of these to yellow terracotta. Come to this end on this side and do the same thing, change these 3 to yellow terracotta. Then we'll come back down to the opposite end here, and we change 1 of them to yellow terracotta, 1 block in. Same thing here, 1 block from the end, change this one to yellow terracotta here. Now, we're going to come to the end of the car here with oak trapdoors. And we're going to put them on the upper hip box of this next block down from where the trapdoors on the side are. So get 3 of them on here, and then we're going to have to crouch and get 1 on the corner at that level. And same thing on this side, so that it's 5 trapdoors long. And of course, we'll repeat it at this end. So get 3 on here, and then we gotta crouch and get 1 on the corner here, and then 1 on this corner. So it looks like that. Now on one end, right here, 2 fences, and close the trapdoor on the side for the brake wheel. Then we're gonna come on here and crouch. And right here we need to get a row of horizontal chains. Now this is supposed to go all the way down the side, but the way Minecraft works, we won't be able to have the ladder. So we'll just skip over the ladder and we'll get horizontal chains on the other side. Make sure it comes right to the end here, and then bring it down to the ladder. Once we have that done, swing around on the end, put a temporary block up here so we can get some horizontal chains right here, and we'll do 3 chains going this way here. Then we have to do the other side, so a temporary block, so we can start our horizontal chains off up here, bring that over to the ladder, then we'll get a temporary block up here on the other side of the ladder, so we can bring our chains down to the other end. And then 2 sideways chains on the end up here. Then put 2 oak buttons on the end like this. Swing down to this end. Down here, 2 oak buttons on one side like that. Then we have to do the coupler at the other end here. So take out dark oak stair and dark oak fence gate. Right here, stack a stair up like this to this second block. We put a sideways dark oak fence gate underneath it here to complete the coupler. So this completes the build for this first old-fashioned style tank car here, and now we'll work on the more modern version. So take out a dark oak stair again for the other coupler, come down here, attach it up this way, and put a dark oak fence gate underneath it. Coming off that stair, we'll do a single polished black stone block, and we'll put another dark oak fence gate underneath that. Then on the next block down, a set of netherite wheels and an end rod axle. Then we're going to do nether brick stairs, 3 wide, and an upside down back-to-back T-shaped pattern. Then another set of netherite wheels and an end rod axle. Then, behind these wheels, we're going to leave 15 blocks of space, and on the 16th block, another set of netherite wheels with an end rod axle. So there's 15 blocks of empty space between these 2 wheel sets. Come back here, same as before, 3 wide of upside down nether brick stairs and a back-to-back T-shaped pattern. Then another set of netherite wheels and an end rod axle. Then take out polished black stone block, come to this end, and run a full line up the center of this second layer. Come 1 block past these wheels, turn around, put a dark oak stair on it for the coupler at this end, and then 2 sideways dark oak fence gates underneath it here. Now come under here, put 2 polished black stone slabs at each end next to the wheels like this. Then on the sides of the truck, everywhere there's a wheel, put a hopper in front of each wheel. Do the same thing here, hoppers in front of the wheels. Then in between the 2 hoppers on each truck, do 2 sideways dark oak fence gates. Same thing here. Then do the other side. And here. Then, 1 block in from the end on the side of this, we're going to do a full line of upside down polished black stone stairs and stop 1 block before the end here. Repeat it on this side here. And stop 1 block before the end. Then go to polished black stone block, 3 across the end here. And we'll just come around the top of this and make a rectangle of polished black stone block. 3 across this end, back up this side. Then on the side of this, do a full row of upside down polished black stone stairs. And same thing on this side, full row of upside down polished black stone stairs. Now go back to polished black stone block, come 5 across the end here. And we'll just go around this in a rectangle. And then 5 across this end, and all the way back up this side. Then once we have that, 3 polished black stone on the end, 3 on the middle of this end. Then up here, we switch to right side up stairs and do a full row facing outward. Same thing on this side, full row of right side up polished black stone stairs. Then polish black stone block on the top middle and run it all the way down right up the center. Then on the side of it, another full row of outward facing polished black stone stairs. And then same thing on this side, another full row of outward facing polished black stone stairs. Now on top of this here, we have to find the center. So we're going to count 11 blocks in from the end here. And on the 12th block, put a chiseled polished black stone to mark the center, right in the middle. And actually, that's wrong. Move it over by 1 like this. And on this side, a polished deep slate slab. Then knock out these 2 stairs in the middle, change them to blocks. And same thing on this side, change these 2 to blocks. Then we're going to come aligned with that, but down underneath here, and knock out this top outer stair and change that 1 to a block. And of course, same thing here, change this one to a block. And this is going to be where the ladder goes here. So we're going to take out ladders, and we're going to put a column of 3 of them coming up the side right here. And then up here, 2 rails. Then on this side, 2 rails. and then 3 ladders on the side like that. Then we're going to put a dark oak trapdoor on top of this block here, and then an oak trapdoor on either side of the rail here. So one here and here, and then one here and one here. Then we'll do the railings up here, so switch to iron bars. Right here, we're going to come out to the side and forward one, and then same thing right here, out to the side and forward one. Copy it behind here, so come out to the side, forward one, out to the side, and forward one. Now come under here, 1 block over from this outer wheel with a nether brick fence here. And we're going to put one right here, skip 3, another one, skip 3, another one. Repeat the pattern at this end. So 1 block over right here, skip 3, skip 3. Then we're going to take end rods, and in between here put a line of sideways end rods between all these fences. You could also use chain or lightning rod, but I prefer the end rods. And we'll also put one on this side of it and one on this end of it. And actually come forward by one, because we have that block that sticks out. Same thing here, come forward by one at this end. Now we have to copy that on the other side. So back to nether brick fence here. 1 here, skip 3, 1, skip 3 and 1. Same thing at this end, 1 here, skip 3, skip 3. Then 2 end rods here, and just fill in between all these fences with horizontal end rods. Or chains or lightning rods, whatever you're using. And then down here, it sticks out by 2 right here. Then on the end, put a dark oak trapdoor here and here. And of course, do the same thing at this end. So 1 here, 1 here. Above it, we're going to put 5 iron bars coming across. So grab your iron bars, and we'll come right across here. And we'll do the same thing down here. 5 iron bars across this end. Then, at one end here, we're going to close a jungle trapdoor on here for the brake wheel. Now on the side here, we're going to knock out 4 of these, change it to yellow terracotta for the lettering. At this end, skip 1 block from the end, knock out 2 and put in quartz brick. Copy it over here, so at this end 1 block over, take out 4, put in yellow terracotta. At this end, 1 block over, take out 2 and put in quartz brick. Now take out an oak sign, and this is going to be for the reflective tape markings on the side. Put 1 on the end here, 1 on this side, and 1 next to the ladder. Over here, 1 next to the ladder, skip a gap of 4 on the 5th one, another one, 1 on the end. Then repeat the pattern on this side. So 1 here, 1 here, 1 by the ladder, 1 on this side, skip 4, 1 here, and 1 down on the end here. Now come on the end, put 3 oak buttons across here. And same thing at this end, 3 oak buttons up here. Now come underneath here in the center with dark oak fence gates and put a full row of fence gates in between here. And there we have it, folks. We've completed both our modern and old-fashioned UTLX tank cars. I hope you enjoyed these builds here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone, have a great week. Stay safe out there, rail fans.